for Multi cockatoos up there, everybody. And on to England for Birmingham roller pigeons. Keep your eyes up. And now to finish this off, all the way to South America, our macaws up there and there. Now, if you would like to take photos with our birds, well, do stay. We will be bringing out another group of flamingos just for you guys. But in the meantime,